Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make your wheel spin perfectly match your speed ramp for smoother motion. Let's get started. First, make sure your video is stabilized and the wheel is locked in the center of the screen. I will skip this step since you may already know the process, but if you are new to the channel or don't know how to lock onto an object, check the tutorial in the description below. By the way, if you want these exact shakes, just a reminder that AM Film Shake preset pack is linked in the description. It's the easiest way to make your edits look expensive with a quick drag and drop. Once you are done stabilizing, we need to mask out the wheel. You can use the Roto Brush tool, or a more advanced option like Mocha AE, which I will use in this tutorial. In Mocha, select the ellipse tool and draw a smooth mask around the wheel. After masking, enable perspective and click track forward. Once the tracking is complete, click save and close Mocha AE. Under the Mocha effect, expand matte and click create AE masks. Next, duplicate the layer. Select the bottom layer, press M to reveal the mask, and delete it to make the car fully visible again. Select the top layer with the mask and rename it to wheel to stay organized. Press R to reveal the rotation property and click the stopwatch to add a keyframe at the beginning of the layer. Then move to the end of the clip and set the rotation value to your preference. I will set it to 60 degrees for a subtle rotation. If you preview the video, you will see the wheel rotating. It looks good, but sometimes the mask edges may appear rough depending on the stabilization and the clip. To fix this, press F to reveal the mask feather property and set it to around 3 to slightly soften the edges and blend the mask more naturally. Next, open the mask settings and set mask expansion to -2. This will slightly shrink the mask and help smooth the edges, making the wheel rotation look cleaner. Once the adjustment is complete, we can add a speed ramp and make the wheel follow the clip's timing. Select both layers and pre-compose them into a single layer. Make sure Move All Attributes and Adjust Composition Duration are selected, then click OK. Move to the beginning of the layer, right-click the clip, go to Time, and select Enable Time Remapping. Move forward to the point where you want the speed ramp to end. Then speed up the clip by dragging the last keyframe to that point. Split the layer and delete the remaining part. For this tutorial, I will create a reverse speed ramp because it looks better. To do this, drag the second keyframe to the middle of the layer. Then copy the first keyframe and paste it at the very end of the clip. Next, select all 3 keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Open the graph editor and create a smooth curve. I will adjust the middle keyframe to make sure it is perfectly centered, then preview the result. And there we go, the wheel rotation is now synced with the video speed. For a smoother look, make sure to add motion blur. You can use the paid plugin RSMB Pro, or if you don't have it, CC Force Motion Blur works perfectly fine. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.